The statement of Allah Azza wa Jal, وَتَوَلَّى عَنْهُمْ وَقَالَ يَا أَسَفَا عَلَى يُوسُفَ وَبْيَضَّتْ عَيْنَاهُ مِنَ الْحُزْنِ فَهُوَ كَظِيمٌ. He turned away from them. Who did the ayah come about? Ya'qub alayhi salam. He turned away from them and he said, Ya asafa, oh my sorrow over Yusuf. And his eyes became blind from grief. Yani min al-huzni, fahuwa kadhim, because he was keeping all of his grief inside of him. What did he say? قال إنما أشكو بثي وحزني إلى الله وأعلم من الله ما لا تعلمون. He said, I only complain of my grief and my sorrow to Allah, and I know about Allah that which you don't know. There are a number of things I want you to benefit from this particular ayah or these ayat. The first one is that the prophets went through extreme grief. So we shouldn't feel bad. You know, if you have times when you feel extremely sad and really you're really suffering because of something, that doesn't mean that you have low iman. The best of the people, they suffered from this. We also want to take from it the fact that your mental health, the way you feel inside of yourself, can reach such a level that it can have physical properties, yani physical ailments. He went blind. وَبِيَضَّتْ عَيْنَاهُ, because of the severity of his grief. The third thing, what was he doing? He was keeping it inside. فَهُوَ كَظِيمٌ. He didn't let it out. He didn't go to the people and complain. Who did he complain to? قَالَ إِنَّمَا أَشْكُو بَثِّي وَحُزْنِي إِلَى اللَّهِ. I complain of my grief and my sorrow to Allah. This is very, very powerful, because everyone that you complain to, nobody likes complaining. Even you complain to someone very close to you, like you complain to your parents or you complain to your wife, or you complain and they don't like it. Nobody likes people to complain. Everybody has their own problems. But wallahi, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ar-Ra'uf, Ar-Rahim, Al-Kareem, Al-Wadud, He loves for you to complain to Him. And this is where you let out your grief. In the time when you have this private conversation, this private devotion with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this is the time when you let your grief and your sorrow and your problems, because you're complaining to who? To the one who can solve all of them for you. You're complaining to the only one who can solve all of your problems. And that's why Ya'qub, he said, as Allah told us, وَأَعْلَمُ مِنَ اللَّهِ مَا لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. I know about Allah and about Allah's promise what you don't know. I know Allah's names and His attributes. I know that Allah is An-Nasir. Ni'mal Mawla wa Ni'mal Nasir. What an excellent protector and guardian. What an excellent bringer of victory. I know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Ar-Rahman. I know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bring this matter to the conclusion that I have begged Allah for in my dua. Knowing Allah is one of the greatest means to overcome grief and sorrow, even addiction.